Okay, good.
Why?
Look at the recording's done. Oh, too bad. We're starting another one. Why? I don't know. Her name's Gabby. Okay.
You're putting
On.
it on the record.
Eh?
It's on the record.
It's on the record. You're just making fun of me on the record. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's just like that.
6.2 continued, part 2. All right. So let's go to y equals. Hey, do you guys know what this is right here?
Oh,
Cosine. Very good. Cosine. Okay, so let's do this. X to the power of 3. And let's graph it. Okay? Graph's a bit wonky, but I don't mind this at all. I'm going to change the window just a wee bit. So x, let's make that negative 3. And let's make x max positive 3. And let's see. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, so what happens if we change a? Well, we don't have to write a whole big, full 4-termed cubic equation. We can just do x cubed, right? So what happens if we vary this? Well, let's do 3x. Hello? 3x to the power of 3. And see what happens. Not much. You notice the difference there?
Yeah.
You did, eh? What's the difference? One was wider. Okay, let's check. One was wider than the other. The 3 kind of narrows it up a little bit. This is the x, the 3x cubed. Okay? Sort of, yeah. I mean, as a gets larger, okay, it kind of squishes it up just like it does with the parabola. Like that. Okay? So we could do, well, let's just see. 0.25 x cubed is, really wide. See that? So it does the same thing. That's different. That's a different a value for a cubic function. Is there a question? Oh, negative. Okay, I didn't do negative. Well, let's do negative. What do you think's going to happen if it's negative? It's going to go down. Well, okay, if it goes.
Like, if it goes this direction, then it's going to go this.
Okay. Oh, you think so? Direction. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, that's amazing. You got the right answer. That's really good. Let's write that down. Look at my calendar. Put it down on the calendar. That you got the right answer. Okay. What else do you want to know? Look at what page 392 says. A little bit of a summary, except for one thing I didn't cover. Let's see. Do you know what it is? Watch this. This is going to blow your mind. Okay? B, we said, was the what in a linear? X-intercept. Do you know why that is?
Y-intercept.
Do you know why that is? It's because, let's say we have an example like this. Whoops. And this is 2x plus 3. And the y-intercept is determined when you let x equal 0. So let's put 0 in there. And we get y equals 0 plus 3. What's left over? When all the x terms, and this one right here, is gone, you get y equals 3. That's your intercept. Okay? So that's the same as the original equation. And if you look down here, if you put 0 in for x here, 0 in for x here, that's 0, that's 0. Look what you're left with. So this is also the y-intercept for a quadratic. That's where the parabola intersects the y-axis. So the constant term in all of these, including this one, here's the d here, the constant term is the y-intercept. That, okay? Are your minds blown? Is that amazing? No, that's not magic. That's just cool. The constant, and that's the one without the variable, the constant term, and that's without a variable, okay, that's the term without a variable, is the value of the y-intercept. Yes. Okay, and that's a brain, and that's blowing up. So, brains are blown.
Not like not a good job.
Sorry? Sorry, did you say, is that like not a good drawing?
Let's write that in that. In fact, not a good drawing. It's like if we're trying to
Okay, so your question is, wouldn't your brain be blowing up a bad thing?
Yeah.
You know, actually it is, yes. If you're taking that literally, then actually that's a bad thing. Of course, my drawing, obviously fairly graphic and literal, but what I meant, this is what I meant, okay? So here's, my amazing drawing, okay? There's somebody's got some problem with his ear, but that's okay. Okay? And look at what he's doing here. He is like so excited. Oh, he looks scared. Sorry. He is. Look at how big this smile is. And he just learned this, and his mind is blown, and it's a good thing. Okay. So yes, if your mind was okay, he looks actually crazy. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop now. Anyways, this is a guy. His mind is blown. He is just in happy land right now.
Can you do that face?
No, I can't do that face. You could try though. I'm gonna give you your assignment now. All right.
Remember when I tricked you and said the X intercept is actually the Y intercept?
Oh, and you tricked me.
Yeah.
Oh. So you said a wrong answer, and that's you tricking me. Good. Wow.
And then you're like, yeah.
You should be congratulated. I said the Y intercept.
Yeah, because you're like, oh yeah, the X intercept.
Scott, help me out. Oh, look at, he said what? He said X, right? You don't even know what it said.
Write it on the calendar.
Okay, Gabby, I'm going to tell you one thing. No one cares. Okay. Okay, your assignment for 6.2. Okay, put up your hand if you care. See, nobody cares. Okay. Sorry, no, that's obviously to a different question. Okay, for those of you that care, page 393. Want to do 1 to 47, all? That was funny, even though, and there's not even 47. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you just say 1 to 4?
You can say 1 to 4 if you want. End behavior 5 A C E. Or you can do all of 5 if you want. Or you can just do 5. The odd questions is 5. Matches graph. Ooh, that's good too. 6. And 8. Okay. So do 1 to 5 and 6 and 8. Or you can do even 2 to 8, including odd 1 to 5.
Okay.
I'll give you 2 choices. You pick one. Can I take number 2? Okay. I'll save you so much time tonight. Okay. So I'll write that down. Or even number 2 to 8 and odd 1 to 5, ACE. Or the one that's listed up top.
Wait.
You get that?
Do 15 and call it even.
No, you can. You'll get like 0 on everything that you're supposed to do. Okay. Any other questions? I can't really see you guys in the back row anymore.
So let's switch it back.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know. Maybe you can decide that. Yeah, I'll give you some time to work before I totally distract you with your test. What's your situation? Course completion? Yeah, good. What's the degree? It's about 15 outside, I think.
Oh my goodness.
What? What? Did it, what, did it creep you out when I licked my finger?
Yes.
Okay, good. I just wanted to know. That means me. I'll do it more often. Okay. The degree of an equation is the largest exponent on the variable. Boom! Yes, Hannah. You forgot your textbook. Yeah, that'd be a good thing to have. Yeah, go get it.
The largest exponent on a variable?
You guys are graduating this year. Hey, that's too bad.
Hey, that's sad. We're actually a really good class.
Oh, yeah.
How about raising money for the next semester?
What?
12 years. You raise all the money.
What are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? Raising money for what? What are you...
We're gonna suck this money.
Oh,
Because ours stop bringing in so much.
is that right? Really? I didn't know that. Okay, so I need to fail you all so you stick around here then? Is that what you're saying?
No, I want to do well in math.
Okay, like, okay, good for you. What do you do? Like, what fundraising do you do? What do you do?
No, we're going to do for all of the funding, and like half week, our class for like almost 70 or something, and then other class for like like one brought $8 and one brought like 30 almost. Tell them.
Let me just digest this information.
Yeah, true, and we won the food drive. Yeah.
And you won the food drive.
Yeah. And then did we even give the money for the pizza party away? Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't realize what we were going to be missing next year.
Yeah.
Like, where are the hat day funds going to come from?
True. I don't know. Oh, we're not us.
Well, we're just going to throw down the challenge to this year's grade 11s then. You guys need to wear your hats a lot on Hat Week. What? Yeah. Did you pay for each one of those?
Yeah.
Or did you just pay one for one hat? Look at his. You didn't. You're lying. No, you're lying. He's lying. It's true. Yes. Question about math. Yeah. Thank you. What? Oh, degree. Thank you for asking that question. I was hoping someone was going to ask that question. The degree of the function is the largest exponent on any of the variables. So, look at this one. See this? There's an exponent of 2, exponent of 1. This technically has an exponent of 0. See that? So this one is degree 2. Yeah. Any other questions? Preferably ones I've already answered. No. What? What? I heard that.
What? I said nothing.
You said nothing? I think I heard you say some words. I didn't hear you say nothing.
What did I say?
I'll tell you later. Can't repeat it in class. I can't repeat it.
Like, yeah. Yeah.
I need a hair tie. Yeah.
You need a hair tie.
You need mine, but.
Yes, that's like my grandpa.
Yeah, that's good. Just